The Miami Breast Conference is really built on the strengths of Dan and Lois Osman. Dan has been obviously the medical lead. He developed this conference initially for surgeons, but it's been so effective that he's incorporated medical oncology, radiation oncology, and basic biology into it, and he's done a beautiful job on that. And what's been unique is his wife Lois, who is there at the meeting and welcoming you and running the registration desk, has really become part of the family.
The Miami Breast Conference, which is the vision of the Osmonds, there's no question, has brought together a community of researchers, of scientists, of in-the-trench clinicians, all of whom are dedicated to the disease and all of whom are interested in the challenges of the emerging science and of the emerging clinical trials. I think the wonderful thing about this conference is the ability to mix all of this together in a way that's compelling and interesting for all involved.
Now, after 30 years from the beginning, this Miami Breast Cancer Conference is universally recognized as one of the most important meetings.
Most clinical meetings don't have the basic research component that this one does, but I think Dan has always felt he needs to educate everyone as to the cutting edge science, which has really helped advance the science's impact in the clinical setting and for the care of breast cancer patients.
Dan always comes up with very interesting titles for you to pursue. So it's great fun as a speaker to be able to come.
I think what's so special about the Miami Breast Conference is Dan gets up and he says, what you learn today, you're going to be able to use on Monday. It's very user-friendly. You're going to use it when you get back home to take care of your patients.
From the 10th on, we realized that this thing has a life of its own. We saw a lot of people that were coming back every year. So we knew that the support was going to be there, and they were very interested, dedicated physicians who were anxious to hear all the latest.
I think this current one, the 30th, right now, I'm very, very proud of it. I'm proud of it because we have such a great faculty. I'd love to very much thank all the registrants who have stood by us all these years, and they have.
They've taught us so many things about working with people in life. They're such a charitable group of people, taking a lot of their resources and strengths and pouring it back into the community and helping others.
You've been able to put together something that's been lasting, intelligent, and creative. So thanks from me, but I'm sure thanks from all of us.
If I have to give a message to Dan and Lois, it is very simple. Please go on in this venture for another 30 years.